All of you very good morning, Nana. Today I discuss the important topic cross product ORR vector product, Nana. Okay, very important topic. Please listen carefully. Here, cross product ORR vector product means two vectors are multiplied. Once again I repeat. 2 into 3, how much? 6. In the vectors also, multiplication has two types. One is dot product, other one is cross product. Dot product Apparasaru says in work power energy. Now I discuss cross product. What is the cross product? Here I take two vectors now. Look here, all of you. The one vector name is P bar. Other vector name is Q bar. Here how many vectors are there? Two vectors. One is P bar, other one is Q bar. Angle between two vectors is theta. Okay? Here two vectors are there. One vector P bar, other vector Q bar. Angle between two vectors is theta. Okay? Between two vectors is theta. Okay? In the situation, these two vectors multiply. This is the cross product. P bar. Look here. Cross Q bar. Once again I repeat. P bar multiplied with Q bar. P bar cross Q bar. P bar cross Q bar is defined as right side. Modulus of P bar, modulus of Q bar into sin theta into n cap. It write neatly P bar cross Q bar equal to modulus of P bar write as P, because any vector we apply modulus, it becomes a scalar. Modulus of Q bar write as Q. Sin theta, here theta is angle between P bar and Q bar, okay, into n cap. N cap is a unit vector. It indicates the direction of resultant. Okay. For example, PQ multiply. Okay. Here P, its value is scalar. For example, 2. Q, this value is 3. For example, numbers తీసుకున్నా అంతే, scalar. P value 2, Q value 3. Theta 30, sin 30 1 by 2 into n cap. 2 to what? Cancel. For example, 3 into unit vector along x-axis 3i. Simply cross product of two vectors gives a vector. Simply this is denoted by r bar. Simply P bar Q bar multiply to get r bar. Simply here it becomes a vector. So cross product other name is called vector product. Simply here two vectors multiply gives a vector. Two vectors multiply gives a vector. Two vectors multiply gives a vector. This is called vector product of two vectors. Formula is given. In the situation, both side I apply modulus. Modulus of, look here now, P bar cross Q bar. Right side now. Both side modulus. Here modulus. Here modulus. Modulus of PQ sin theta n cap. constant term right outside. PQ sin theta right outside. Modulus of n cap. Here magnitude of cross product of two vectors. Magnitude of cross product of two vectors. Modulus of P bar cross Q bar equal to right side. Look here, right side. P Q sin theta. Okay. Here modulus of unit vector. Unit vector means the vector whose magnitude is 1 unit. Simply, this is the unit vector whose modulus becomes 1. Simply, here I give two formulas. One formula is P bar cross Q bar gives another vector, that is R bar. What is the formula? P Q sin theta n cap. This is the first formula of cross product. Both sides we have to apply modulus. Modulus of P bar cross Q bar directly write as P Q sin theta. Okay. This is the second formula. Here theta is the angle between two vectors. First write these two formulas. In the situation, direction of R bar determined by using right hand curl rule. According to this rule, first to take your right hand. In this pattern, first place. These four fingers gives the direction of P to Q. Thumb indicate the direction of R bar. Simply, direction of R bar determined by using right hand curl rule. According to this rule, here two vectors direction indicate these four fingers, R bar indicate this thumb. How sir అంటే మధ్యన అయితే అందుకే ఆ బాబు కోసం చెప్తున్నాను చూడండి. This is the P bar, this is the Q bar. Look here. In the situation multiplication is P to Q. P bar cross Q bar. Here now. First to take your right hand here. P to Q. Look here now. P to Q. Now these four fingers indicate the direction of P to Q. Thumb indicate out of the board. This is called positive z-axis. Adeni sir ante board. This assume x-axis. That assume y-axis. This is assume positive z. This is take negative z. Okay. Look here, all of you. Here multiplication P to Q. Thumb indicate out of the board. Simply, this is the direction of R bar. But it cannot be drawn, so that's why it drawn. This is R bar. R bar depends upon the n cap. N cap is a unit vector. This is in the same direction of R bar. Simply, this is the direction of n cap. Unit vector also along the direction of R bar. Okay. For example, here multiply Q to P. Take your right hand here. Q to P. Thumb indicate inward. This is the direction of R bar. This is the same direction of n bar. E is a direction of unit vector. Okay. Look here, right R. The cross product none. First property. Here PQ multiply R bar direction out of the board. Suppose QP multiply QP multiply R bar direction inward. Simply P cross Q gives positive z axis, Q cross P gives negative z axis. Its meaning is P cross Q not equal to Q cross P, because P cross Q is minus of the Q cross P. ఎందుకంటే PQ మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే ఏమొస్తుంది? పాజిటివ్ z. QP మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే నెగటివ్ z. సో బోత్ ఆర్ నాట్ ఈక్వల్ అన్న సమ్ మైనస్ కన్వెన్షన్ ఈజ్ అడ్డొస్తూ ఉంటుంది. ఓకేనా? అంటే సింప్లీ P బార్ క్రాస్ Q బార్ not equal to Q bar cross P bar. So cross product or other name vector product. Cross product not obey commutative law. This is the mathematics. This law is commutative law. Obey means follow, not follow commutative law. Once again I repeat, cross product or vector product not follow the commutative law. Okay, next one, look here, all of it. Cross product or vector product not follow the commutative law, but cross product follows distributive law. Cross product follows distributive law. Look here. What is the distributive law? Look here. P bar cross Q bar plus R bar is equal to, okay na, here multiply P bar cross Q bar plus P bar cross R bar. Do you understand? P bar cross Q bar plus P bar cross R bar. Cross product not follow commutative law but follow distributive law. Okay, please write the notes number. Two properties हो गया properties ना properties. Okay, the third property is, look here, all of it. Third property is, for example, what is the P bar cross Q bar formula? Tell me fast. Modulus of P bar modulus of Q bar sin theta n cap. Here now I bar cross I bar, right side term. This is the solution of this now. I cross I. P is placed by I. Q is placed by I. Here write modulus of I cap, modulus of I cap. Here, according to physics, I is a unit vector along x-axis. This is x-axis, this is x-axis, both are parallel. Theta becomes 0 into n cap. Here look here. 0 into anything 0. 0 into vector 0 bar. That is the null vector. Simply I bar cross I bar 0 bar. Similarly J bar cross J bar chapalana 0 bar. Similarly K bar cross K bar 0 bar. First write these formulas. I bar cross I bar 0 bar. J bar cross J bar 0 bar. K bar cross K bar 0 bar. Look here, all of it. I cap cross j cap. Right side nana p is I. Look here nana I cap. Q taken as j cap. I along the x-axis, j along the y-axis. According to mathematics, x and y mutually perpendicular. Here we know that n cap is a unit vector. It is always perpendicular to plane of p bar and q bar according to Ampere right hand curl rule. Now n cap is a unit vector, is always perpendicular to plane of p bar and q bar. I is x-axis, j is y-axis. N direction always perpendicular to the p and q. Simply xy perpendicular axis is z. Simply this is the k cap. In the situation, look here then. I bar cross j bar equal to unit vector whose magnitude is 1. Unit vector whose magnitude is 1. Sin 90 1 into what? K cap. Simply I j multiply k. Okay? It write as in this matter easy కోసం. Look here. I j ఎప్పుడు మైండ్ లో ఉండాలి k. I j multiply it becomes k. J k multiply it becomes I. K I multiply it becomes j. Once again repeat. I j multiply it becomes k. K I multiply it becomes j. I j it multiply it becomes k. Once again repeat. Look here multiplication. Very important to solve the problems. Direct ga gurtu pettukovachu. I j multiply em vachindi k. J k multiply I. K I multiply j. Vector product not follow commutative law. For example, I cross k minus j. K cross j minus I. J cross I minus k. Okay, అర్థమవుతుందా? నీట్గా రాస్తాను చూడండి. Look here. చెప్పండి ఇప్పుడు. I cap cross j cap. Finally we get k cap. J k multiply I. K I multiply j. Look here now. I j multiply k. J k multiply I. K I multiply j. దీనికి రివర్స్ నా. I cross j write as j cross I. Vector product not follow commutative law. Here minus k. ఇది చెప్పాలన్నా. K cap cross j cap. Finally we get minus I cap. Here now I cap cross k cap minus j cap. Please write all the formulas. ఈ గుర్తుపెట్టుకునే కన్నా అది లాస్ట్ గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవడం బెస్ట్. R ప్లస్ py j cap ప్లస్ pz k cap. Q bar is qx I cap plus qy j cap plus qz k cap. In the situation, two vectors are there. One is p bar, other one is q bar. Okay, nana? One is p bar, other one is q bar. In the situation, the question is p bar cross q bar. That means multiply two vectors. This is the question. In this pattern, to solve the problem in this manner, Look here, all of you. First to take det, modulus, det nana. This is called det in the mathematics. P bar, Q bar, common term, I, J, K. First to write I cap, next to write J cap, next to write K cap. Okay? In the multiplication, first to write I cap, J cap, K cap. Here, first to write P bar, P bar, P bar. P bar, here write I coefficient. I coefficient is Px, next Py, next Pz. Okay? P bar cross Q bar. In the situation, here write, tell me, Qx, Qy, Qz. This is easiest method, multiply of two vectors. Okay? Look here now. Solution I write in this manner. Look here now. P bar cross Q bar equal to P bar cross Q bar equal to. In the situation, first to take I cap now. I cap. In the I cap can taken, this column is closed. This column is closed. Okay, remaining look here. This is called A. This is called B. This is called C. This is called D. In the mathematics, 10th class, A, B, C, D. This is called det. In the situation, AD minus BC. Once again I repeat, AD minus BC. ఆయన బోల్ట్ అయిన దాని వెంకటేశ్వర తీస్తాను ఓకేనా లుక్ హియర్ నానా P bar cross Q bar in the situation I cap here multiply look here nana tell me Py Qz listen carefully Py Qz minus Pz Qy. Do you understand? Completed. Next, I tarvata next yoddarki minus J cap. Now look here. I column closed nana Py Qz minus Pz Qy. Next column minus J, not plus J. I next start with minus J. In the situation, this column is closed. Look here. Px Qz minus Pz Qx. Tell me Nana. Minus J. Tell me fast. Px Qz minus Pz Qx. Okay Nana. Look here. I minus J completed. Next write plus K. In the situation, once again, I minus J plus K. In this pattern to solve the problems. In the situation, K is closed. K column is closed. Look here. Px Qy minus Py Qx. Px Qy minus Py Qx. In this pattern, to solve the multiplication of two vectors, first starts with I discuss examples. Next I discuss examples. In the situation, the first example is, look here all of you. The first example is linear velocity. Linear velocity V bar is omega bar cross bar. Linear velocity v bar is omega bar cross r bar. This is the formula to solve the problems. Here linear velocity omega is called, write down, angular velocity. R bar is called displacement. This write as position vector. Position vector. Next, the second important formula is angular momentum. Angular momentum formula is L bar is R bar cross P bar. In the situation, R is the position vector, P is the linear momentum. P is the linear momentum. R is the position vector. P is the linear momentum. Linear momentum. Linear momentum definition: product of mass and velocity. Next important formula is the third formula, torque. Torque formula is tau bar is R bar cross F bar. Here R bar indicate position vector, F indicate force. This is the formula for torque in the mechanics. The fourth formula for torque in electricity. This is electricity, second year chapter. Here P bar cross Q bar. In the situation, P is dipole moment. In the electricity, P is dipole moment. E indicate electric field intensity. This is the second year electricity, not required in this year. Second year very useful. Next, torque in the magnetism. Torque in the magnetism also in the second year, not required in this year. M bar cross B bar. M bar is magnetic dipole moment. Dipole moment. This is electric dipole moment. Okay. Here B is magnetic field induction. Magnetic field induction. These formulas very useful to solve the problems. First formula, second formula, third formula in the first year. That's why what is the cross product examples? First example, linear velocity formula is omega bar cross R bar. Okay na? Second formula, angular momentum is L bar is R bar cross P bar. Torque formula, tau bar is R bar cross F bar. Okay na Mithun? Bye bye andarki. Please write the running notes.